Sarah's Second Chance. Hi there, and welcome to our English story series. Today, we'll follow Sarah, who turns rejection into an inspiring second chance. You'll learn new words like rejection, perseverance, and confidence. Let's begin. Sarah sat in her small office, staring at the rejection email on her computer screen. Not again, she whispered. This was the third job she'd applied for this month, and it felt like her dream of working in a creative field was slipping away. That evening, her best friend Laura called. "Hey, how are you?" Laura asked. "Not great," Sarah admitted. "I'm starting to think I'll never get a job I love." Laura listened patiently and then said, "You're so talented, Sarah, but maybe it's time to think about what you can do differently. Have you thought about taking a course or learning a new skill?" Sarah sighed. "I've thought about it, but I'm scared." Laura smiled through the phone. "Failing is part of learning. You've already faced rejection, but you keep trying. That shows you're stronger than you think." The next morning, Sarah woke up early. She made a list of the skills she wanted to improve: public speaking, writing, and design. Then she found an online course and signed up. At first, it was hard. Sarah struggled with assignments and doubted herself. But she remembered Laura's words and kept going. She practiced her writing every day, read articles about design, and recorded herself speaking to improve her confidence. Months later, Sarah applied for another job. During the interview, the manager said, "Your portfolio looks amazing, and I can see you've worked hard to improve your skills. Tell me about your journey." Sarah shared her story of rejection, learning, and perseverance. The manager smiled and said, "We need people like you on our team. You're hired." When Sarah called Laura to share the news, she said, "You were right. Failing wasn't the end. It was just the beginning." Great job listening to Sarah's story. Today you learned new words: rejection, perseverance, and confidence. Remember, every failure is a chance to grow. Share your own story of perseverance in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more inspiring English stories. See you next time.